What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we continue, to let you know this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want with your money. And without any further ado, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, today we're going to talk about Quant, ticket symbol QNT. Okay, now before we do that, let's look at the price. It's always important to see what the price is doing. Okay, let's look at the price right quick. We'll go to the crypto bubbles. Overall, the market looks a little bit red today. It's like everybody else was counting on the Ethereum ETF, but like I said, I don't think it's approved until I see it. I will not be celebrating yet. I want to see it from the horse's mouth. Okay, not the assumptions. But anyway, let's go forward here. We're looking for Quant QNT. Okay, Quant, as you can see, is still overall red, right? Really red in every angle you look at it, on the hourly, on the daily, on the yearly. It's still overall rate is like 6.9% down. I would like to show you guys first on the charts. The charts are even way better, the way we can understand what is really going on here. So let me take you to my trading view. This is what is going on with Quant. Okay, we are on the 4 hourly chart. As you can see, we are still trading. Let me get my arrow right quick for easier illustrations. So okay, as you can see, we're still trading below this big resistance. We have a huge resistance. I told you we need to break above that 104. We tried one time here, we got rejected and got knocked down again. So we have this big resistance right here. We're also trading below the 200 moving average, this yellow line, as you can see. So but we still have a support. Okay, we have a support here at $91 thereabouts. So there is that support that has been supporting us for almost the entire year. Quant has not gone below that for the entire year. But this triangle, as you see, is about to get to this apex. Okay, we're about to get to its apex, and the apex here is treated, I think it's gonna be somehow June, July. By the beginning of June next week, we are coming to the close of this triangle, and this triangle, this will lead us to a price boom, either to the upside or to the downside. I think Quant will go to the upside to retest that 104 again. Okay, so on my opinion, like I'm saying, I think Quant will go to retest that resistance again on that 104. Once we break that the resistance, and we start trading above the ribbon, that will turn it bullish. But remember, we need to go above that $104 if we really want to start seeing those gains. Okay, that being said, you can take advantage of that. You can either leverage trade it, or you on spot. Although I do not condone leverage trading. You know what you're doing. Okay, because leverage trading can lead you to lose your money, all your money right away. As always, I'm always transparent with you guys, and I always show you what I do. So if you want to join, you can follow my Bydfi or Phemex links down below. You get trading bonuses. I can't speak this morning. Trading bonuses, and then you start trading. But if you do not know what you're doing, please do not get into leverage trading. So let me show you my position right quick. I've had it for quite a while now. I've seen Quant go up and down, but I still maintain that open. So let me show you right quick from my Bydfi. Let me go to my Bydfi. Let's open that up, and we have, okay, this is my Quant position. Like I said, I had it open. I've seen it go to 10%. Just by monitoring it, I've seen it go up 10% and back down to 1%. So for the past few weeks. So I'm not worried about it. Like I said, I'm in for the long run. I will keep it open. because I know Quant for sure is about to boost. It's about to like blow up, and we're looking at the price target at almost to the nearest future. You're looking at a price target of $1,000 on Quant. Okay, so that being said, the topic of today, patience. You've got to be patient when it comes to assets like this. Patience is the key. You got to be right, really know what into Quant. Why are you investing in Quant? You got to know why. Okay, before we go into that, let's check on the news right quick. I did look at their Twitter page. There's not much to be looked at over there in their Twitter, only that they are going to be attending an AMA or something like that to explain why it's important to have to explain why it is important to have digital money. So all that stuff, there's not much. 6 hours ago they just retweeted again about the offline payments, which, like I already told you guys, is going to be an important asset once this UK passes the law of stable coins. It's going to be important, and that is going to lead to Project Gateway. So it is important to have those offline payments ready. Okay, so there's not much going on their Twitter page, only that a day ago and a couple hours ago they were talking about that. Or if you want to watch the introduction video that they have down here, yesterday they posted about what Quant is. For those of you who don't know what Quant does or what are they working on, this is a good video. You can either watch it by yourself when you get a spare time, but you can find it on their Twitter or X account. I can't get used to saying this. Okay, let's go into this. Why are you invested in Quant? Okay, I told you guys what is happening right now is wealth transfer. Okay, those of you who's been around long enough in the financial sector, you know what happened in 2008, right? You know what happened when the economy crashed, and I would say a lot of people who got into assets, stocks, and all that stuff by 2008, you know, today they are the world's richest people. And what's happening now, we are transitioning into the digital era, right? Quant is set right in the middle of it. The governments are already working into CBD digital payments. They are working on to, you know, like how you want the IMF, International Monetary Funds. They're also working into that. They want to control the money. They want to see what the money is doing. People like you and me, we don't really care about that. All we care is to make our bags to go high, right? So that being said, Quant is in the middle of all of it. The banking sector, like I said, Quant is in the middle of that eye, in the middle of the banking sector. Quant is joining all the major banks in the world, okay, to create that monetary system. That's what they're doing. You want to sit there and look around. There's a lot of projects that are moving, okay, but they don't have a lot of development going on for it. But when you look at Quant has a lot that they are working on in the background. As a matter of fact, you see the price going down, okay? If you really think about it, the price is going down because retail are very impatient. You know how crypto works. People get impatient and they start to sell off, and that's what we're seeing. Look at the exchange reserves. The exchange reserves, they are not going up or down. They are not moving. They're just like almost ranging. But when you look on the transaction records, you see, like, for example, they've just been recently, there've been three big transactions, each of them more than 5,000-6,000 Quant tokens. Okay, and those transactions, they are off-chain. They are going to these addresses, which if you investigate a little further, these are the people getting ready, because they only got less than a week and a half, something like that, before the project Rosalind closes. Okay, if you want to participate, I think it's those like the BlackRocks and the IMF and all of them are buying these coins, getting ready to get into this this project. So everything depends on what you believe. Excuse me. Like I said, everything depends on what you believe when you invest in Quant. I, for example, like I said, I'm always very transparent with you guys. I invest in Quant because of the passive income. Trust me, when that Quant staking project gateways gets open, if you know, you know. Right now, Quant is very cheap. Very, very cheap. In let's say, once that United Kingdom, once they approve that stable coins, okay, the policy, you will see what I'm talking about. You will see what I'm talking about, because that right there, together with Project Rosalind and everything else piling up in the pipeline, is just normal. I don't know if you ever paid attention to some cryptos. Okay, pay attention to some cryptos. Something like Ethereum. Ethereum ranges, and then when it blows, it just blows like, I don't know, I can't really explain it. It just blows. The same thing goes with Quant. They have all this good news going on with them. They have all these things going on with them. The price is still not moving. The only thing is going down. You know, like people who don't believe in projects. Some people bought Quant at $40. Some people bought Quant at even less than that. And now they think the project is not going anywhere. There's news coming out and they're selling. It's okay. Like I always say, follow the big money. Don't follow retail. Follow the big money. Everybody telling you that it's a XRP, XLM, this and that. Do not believe that, bro. Do not believe that. Because XRP, XLM, they are all going to be using. Okay, oh, come on. Let me see. I still have this right here. They are all going to be using, okay, they're all going to be using the Quant overledger. Trust me when I tell you this. It is going to happen very quick. Very soon you are going to hear your banks telling you, oh, if you have crypto, we can store it for you. How do you think they are going to store it? They are going to be using the Quant overledger. Okay, so just be ready and be patient. Patience, man. Just follow the big money. Okay, if you look at the BlackRock, the way they invest, follow BlackRock, follow the IMF, follow all that, the big money, Capital One, all of them. I'm telling you, Bank of America, all those people, just follow what they do and you will see. So Quant is gearing up, and I've always said it, this is not the first time or the second time. Quant is gearing up for at least $1,000 starting August. You look at the charts, you look at the markets, you look at the news. Trust me, it's about to catch on fire. So that being said, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and please comment. Let me know what you think. Are you bullish on Quant? Have you given up? Or anything you want to talk about? So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.